morning students, welcome back to SST class of 7th. In our today's video, I will be starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 10 of geography, and the name of the chapter is Life in the Tropical and Subtropical Regions. So children, before starting the chapter, let me tell you something about your syllabus, because most of the students are having doubt that which chapters are going to come in term, which chapters are of subject enrichment and activity. Okay, so see, your syllabus is divided into three parts, that is pen paper test, subject enrichment and activity, right? Now here we are discussing about the chapters of term 1. So जो pen paper test के chapters है, there are three chapters. First one is weather and climate, that is from geography portion. Then natural vegetation and wildlife, that is also from geography portion, and equality in Indian democracy, that is from civics. Okay, so these three chapters are done. ये हमने complete कर लिया है, and you all have got notes in the form of PDF. So these three chapters notes you have to do in a very neat and clean handwriting in your classwork copy. ठीक? And these three chapters are going to come in your term exam. Okay, इसकी notes आपको thoroughly prepare करने हैं. Okay, now clear? Now let us come to the second part, that is subject enrichment. So in these three chapters are there. Medieval architecture, that is also done. The human environment, that is also done. And the gender issues, that is also done. ठीक है? So इसमें क्या करना है? I will be explaining the chapter and exercises, but question answers you have to do by yourself. ये आपके लिए है subject enrichment. ठीक? So this also I have completed. Now coming to activity portion, the chapters are the structure of the earth. तो ये chapter मैंने पहले ही पढ़ा दिया गया है, और ये वीडियो आप मेरे YouTube चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं, those who haven't seen. And life in the tropical and subtropical regions, ये मैं आज आपको पढ़ाऊंगी. Today I will start. So these two chapters are activity chapter. इसमें मैं आपको कुछ ऐसा activity दूंगी so that you have to do and send it so that I can give marks on you. जैसे आपका syllabus 3 part में divided था, pen paper test, subject enrichment and activity. आपको periodic के marks भी उसी तरह मिलते थे, है ना? 10 marks of periodic, 5 marks subject enrichment and 5 marks activity. So from these two chapters I can give any activity and you have to send it the activity, maybe in the form of collage, maybe in the form of model or descriptive writing, कुछ भी हो सकता है. जैसे कि activity topic आपको मिलता था, तो like that you have to do. Now clear? So today I will be completing life in the tropical and subtropical regions. तो हमारे term के chapters सारे complete हो जाएंगे. 3 chapters in pen paper test, 3 chapters in subject enrichment and 2 chapters in activity. Okay, so today I will be giving you activity on the chapter life in the tropical and subtropical regions, और वो आपको करके group में send करना है. Okay, so let's get started with our chapter. Life in the tropical and subtropical regions. What do you mean by tropical? Tropical means the area that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is 20 degree north and 20 degree south latitudes. और इस region में हमारा पड़ेगा Amazon basin, because Amazon river is flowing through this area which is in South America. And subtropical region की अगर हम बात करें तो subtropical region is Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Why? Because the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers flow through these regions and it lies in the Indian subcontinent, and the climate of tropical and subtropical is totally different from each other. So today we will be studying about the life in the tropical and subtropical regions. Okay, so let's get started. First with the tropical region. So अगर हम बात करें climate की, so what is climate? The average condition of a place, या average weather of weather of a place for a long time, for more than 25 years is called as climate, जिसे हम जलवायु कहते हैं. ठीक है? Lying in the equatorial region, the Amazon basin has a very hot and wet climate. हालांकि हमें पता है कि ये इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में पड़ता है. इक्वेटोरियल मीन्स द एरिया दैट इज नियर टू द इक्वेटर. That's why it receives direct sun rays and it is very hot and wet throughout the year. It receives heavy rainfall of 250 centimeter annually. And यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, heavy rainfall होता है, and the maximum rainfall is 250 centimeter. Okay. Now, अगर हम natural vegetation की बात करें, so what are natural vegetation? The plant life, जिसे कि हम flora कहते हैं. Virgin trees exist in the equatorial tropical forest. There is heavy rainfall throughout the year, so forests are evergreen, and a special type of trees called virgin is found out, which is the rarest tree in the world. ये बहुत कम ही जगह पाया जाता है, and it is found in the Amazon region. The evergreen forest consists of 3 tiers pattern of trees, very tall, medium and creepers. और अगर हम देखेंगे यहाँ का प्लांट लाइफ, तो जो ट्रीज का पैटर्न है दैट इज इन 3 टायर, मतलब 3 स्टोरी में है. सबसे पहले बहुत टॉल ट्रीज है, देन सेकेंड मीडियम ट्रीज है, देन लास्ट creepers. Okay, now let us see the wildlife. Wildlife means the animals found in that particular area. So different species of wildlife are found, such as sloth, turtles, monkeys, alligators, crocodiles, snakes, and the largest and the biggest snake of the world, that is anaconda, that is also found in the Amazon river basin. And several species of birds are found. Okay. Now, people, if you will see the people, यहाँ के people को अगर हम देखेंगे या population कह सकते हैं आप, it is very sparsely populated. Sparsely मतलब very thinly populated, बहुत कम population है. Why? The reason is thick and wet forest which is not suitable for habitation, and the reason is very hot climate, and because of hot the climate, and it receives maximum rainfall and annual rainfall of 250 centimeter annually, so very less people can live here. ठीक. So mostly inhabited by tribal people. So mostly यहाँ कौन रहते हैं? Tribal people, आदिवासी लोग रहते हैं, who make their life या living by hunting, gathering food, and by shifting cultivations. You have studied shifting cultivation. What is shifting cultivation? The cultivation in which they grow one crop for some time and then again move to another land for cultivation. So this type of cultivation is called as shifting cultivation. Okay. Ganga Brahmaputra basin. It covers a large part of northern India and almost the entire Bangladesh. So जो हमारा सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन है उसमें हमारा गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन आएगा, एंड इट कवर्स द नॉर्थन इंडिया एंड ऑलमोस्ट एंटायर पूरा का पूरा बांग्लादेश. ओके. इट इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट रिवर बेसिन्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट रिवर बेसिन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके. सो द सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन लाइज इन द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट of northern India and some parts of Bangladesh. Okay, now let us come to the climate. As it is located in the subtropical monsoon region, the climate consists of hot summers, wet monsoons and cold winters. As we all know that the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is located in subtropical region, so the climate is very hot in summer, then wet monsoons when rainy season comes, then there is a good amount of rainfall and very cold winters, as we experience the same climate in northern India. ठीक. It experiences heavy rainfall of 200 centimeter annually, और annually कितनी बारिश होती है यहाँ पे? 200 centimeter. Due to heavy rainfall, Brahmaputra basin is one of the wettest regions of the world, and this area receive heavy rainfall of 200 centimeter annually. That's why it is one of the wettest, सबसे गीला region है world का. It is one of the wettest region of the world. Okay. Now after climate, let us see the natural vegetation, the plant life of this subtropical region. It consists of tropical deciduous forests. So here the tropical deciduous forests are found such as sal, teak, peepal and bamboo. And the forests are called as sundar bans, और जो forest होते हैं इनको हम सुंदर bans कहते हैं. One means jungle or forest. And Sundar, why it is called? Because of the Sundari trees present in that particular area. So this area is called as Sundarban because the Sundari trees are found in this area, which mainly consist of the other trees such as sal, teak, bamboo and peepal. Wildlife. This region is rich in wildlife. तो अगर हम wildlife देखेंगे तो this region is very rich in wildlife. It consists of several wildlife or animals, ठीक, and it consists of several wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे wildlife sanctuaries and national parks हैं to protect and preserve the animals. The animals found here are deer, rhinoceros, tigers, elephants and monkeys, and the famous Royal Bengal tiger is also found in this area. Okay, now coming back to the people. As the climate is good for agriculture, the subcontinent is thickly populated. So the climate is very good for agriculture. It is very conducive. So the continent part, the subcontinent part is very thickly populated or densely populated. ठीक, agriculture is the main occupation, and the main occupation of the people is agriculture. Numerous agro-based industries have developed in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, and because this area is very good for agriculture, so various agriculture-based industries have also been set up in this area. The important industries are cotton, jute, silk, textiles, food processing and sugar, as well as tea industry. Okay. Then the region is also rich in petroleum deposits, and this area have very rich deposit of petroleum. Now we will discuss the exercise of the chapter. Open page number 186. Question number A, that is multiple choice questions. First is river Amazon is the largest in the world in terms of, options are space, volume of water, depth. So the right answer is volume of water. Second question. The temperature of Amazon is, options are low, high and medium. So the right answer is high. Now coming to fill in the blanks, that is question number B. First one, Amazon receives heavy rainfall of about 250 centimeter annually. Then second one, chewing gums are made from the juice of, that is chicle tree. Okay. Then third, dash is the longest and fastest growing delta in the world. So the answer is Sundarbans delta or Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Any delta. Okay. Then fourth, Sundarbans got its name from Sundari trees. Then last one, fifth one, dash is a major rubber collecting center in Amazon basin. So the right answer is Manaus. Now question number C, that is match the following. First is Amazonia, that is a term used for Amazon basin. Then second is quinine, it is a medicine made from cinchona. Then third is Tespanko, that is the name of a Brahmaputra river in Tibet. Then fourth is Rohu, and Rohu is a kind of fish. Now question number A, that is again multiple choice questions. First one, Syllabus is a term used for, options are water, river, forest. So the right answer is forest. Then question second, river Ganga originates from the, options are Gangotri glacier, Kosi, Yamunotri. So Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier. Short answer questions that you have to do it by yourself as you used to do in the subject enrichment chapter and activity chapters. मैंने आपको बताया है, you have to go through the chapter thoroughly. आपको chapter को अच्छे से read करना है, then find out the answers and write it in your homework copy. Okay. Then long question answers, that also you have to do by yourself. Then higher order thinking skill questions, that also you have to do by yourself. So exercises I have discussed and chapter I have explained. I hope you all have understood it well. Now let us come to the activity. ये हमारा activity का chapter है. So the activity is the pollution river of Ganga is increasing drastically. As we all know that our river Ganga is polluted day by day. ठीक? As a responsible individual, how would you contribute to reduce the pollution? So as a responsible individual or citizen of the country, how can you reduce the pollution of Ganga river? So write a paragraph of 200 words on it. So this is your activity. आपको इस पे एक paragraph लिखना है कि how you can reduce the water pollution in the Ganga river as a responsible citizen or responsible individual. So in today's video we have studied about the life in the tropical and subtropical regions. We have discussed the exercise आपको बुक में फिल करके एज ए होमवर्क सेंड करना है और जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है शॉर्ट आंसर, लॉन्ग आंसर और हॉट्स वो आपको अपने होमवर्क कॉपी में करना है एंड यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ और एक्टिविटी आपको सेंड करना है सो दैट आई कैन गिव मार्क्स ऑन दैट. सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एक्टिविटी आप ज़रूर से सेंड करिए सो आई कैन गिव मार्क्स ऑन योर एक्टिविटी.